Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today we are installing the Samsung SSD870 EVO into the Atomos Ninja V. It's way easier than you think. We're gonna do three things. Pop SSD into the caddy, which comes along with the Atomos Ninja inside the box, slot it into the Ninja, do a quick test record, and then copy or transfer the files of using the simple SATA adapter. That's it, no complicated stuff, so let's get right into it. So let's unbox the SD card. Now we are ready. Now let's turn on the Ninja V on. If you're installing a brand new drive, then the Ninja will ask you to format it. So just go ahead and say format. It only takes a few seconds. And now let's connect the HDMI cable. Make sure it is into in, not into out, otherwise it won't work. And now here we are. So the red frame means it's recording. We've got a file on there. Now let's power the Ninja down. We need to get that file off the SSD and onto my computer. So for that, I use this super cheap USB to SATA adapter. No, the adapter comes with USB-C to USB-C cable, pad, the manual, and a mini screwdriver. All you do is pop the SSD out of the caddy and then just plug it directly into the adapter. Once you plug it into your computer, it will show up just like a regular external hard drive. You can drag and drop your files, copy them, whatever you need to do. It's that simple. And that is all, from installing the drive to recording to transferring your files. Now we are all set to go out and shoot without any worries. If this video helps you out, please give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.